Welcome! If you want to check battery temperature in your Motorola Edge 20, at first you have to open Play Store, tap on the search pool and type Ampere. We are going to use this free external application to check temperature of our battery. Right now we can open, click yes, agree, tap close, and then click OK in the left bottom corner. When you swipe on the right side, now we can find the same data but in the other theme, and the temperature of our battery we can find in this place. We can also find here other data. So as you can see, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.